Hello. We are Hampton Road's Cash for Homes marketing service. Since 1994, we help people sell fixer-upper homes, as is, for cash. These are homes that need work, lots of repairs, updates, maybe a complete rehab. They will not qualify for buyer financing or pass a mortgage loan inspection. As our name says, all we do is secure cash purchase offers from real estate investors. For these types of houses, Hampton Road's Cash for Homes, only fixer-upper homes. Absolutely any condition, absolutely no seller repairs, always investor buyers, always cash offers. Thank you for visiting our website. My name is Gia. I am a VA here. This short video is an overview of our service. If you have a home that needs a lot of work, then you already know it will not qualify for a buyer home loan until those repairs are completed. But what if you are unable to, or just do not want to, make those repairs? Many owners of these types of homes think their only options are limited to low-ball offers from the typical We Buy Houses company. Our marketing service was created to be a better option for you. Now, we all know about the primary real estate market. We often hear, home sales are up, home sales are down, mortgage interest rates are up, interest rates are down, new home construction is up, etc. These are all the homes with the for sale signs in the yard, many with the real estate agent's picture on it, and all the potential buyers out there, with their agent, looking for that near perfect, move-in ready home. However, for decades, there has always been a very active secondary real estate market. This is the investor market. These are people who are specifically looking for fixer-upper homes, houses that need work. They want to buy these homes as is. They want to do the work. They want to repair and remodel these homes themselves. Maybe fix it up, keep it, and rent it out, or fix it up and sell for profit. We don't hear about it as much, but those investors' buyers are always out there. This is so popular. HGTV is an entire television network dedicated to it. And you do see it. Think about when you've passed by a home that has one of those giant bins in the yard and a crew working on it, or any home in your neighborhood that has been rehabbed or remodeled to where it may look dramatically different now than how it used to. These are those investors, and they are always out there. They don't care about interest rates because they always buy with cash, and a cash buyer is always the best type of buyer for a home seller. You will never have to be concerned if your home will qualify for their financing. You will never have to be concerned about your home passing a mortgage inspection. You will never have to wait for the buyer's financing to go through the loan process. You will never have to worry if the buyer's loan will even get approved at all. Our marketing service will always only get cash offers for your home. And you will always get proof up front that they have the cash. Were you considering selling to a We Buy Houses company? Our service will get you significantly more money, because nearly all of them are just middlemen. They will attempt to buy your home for as low as possible, then immediately flip it to the actual real estate investors at a higher price. We skip the middleman. We market your home directly to the actual investors to begin with. They purchase the home, for cash, at the higher price, directly from you. You will review their offer. You will make all the decisions. You will be in control of everything. You will get that higher price. Not the middleman. We only share just a portion of the sale at the closing. For our marketing service, think of it as a buyer finder's fee. Only if we find a cash buyer, and only at the sale closing, and you still will be left with way more money than selling to a We Buy Houses company. If, for any reason, we are unable to secure a buyer, then there is absolutely no cost to you. If for any reason there is not a sale closing, then there is absolutely no cost to you. This makes our service 100% risk-free to you. This is how our Cash for Homes marketing service will get you more money than any We Buy Houses company will pay for your home. See for yourself. We offer a free, no commitment, no obligation price quote. Simply get a price quote for your home. Then, compare it with any We Buy Houses company you choose. As many as you choose, then decide. Of course, most businesses want you to immediately sign up, become a customer, and start using their service. However, we would prefer you not to do that right now. First, we want you to get your free price quote. Then, we want you to call around and compare. We want you to see the difference. Then you decide, which is why we have made it very easy to request your free price quote. Just submit the short form with your info. It tells us who you are and about your home. Tell us all of the things you can think of. You will get an email confirming that we have received your information. Then, your quote will be sent by email within 1 business day. It will include fixer-upper homes similar to yours and located close to yours that recently sold. It will show the actual price that the sale closed at. You will see what your quote is based on, similar houses that have been sold for cash. You will see the exact sold price. Yes, the real estate market does change. But looking at similar houses is the best way to get a good idea of what your houses could get. Our service usually happens in less than 30 days. We have found investors who have submitted cash purchase offers in just 1 day. However, it can take a little longer to find that cash investor buyer. So, if you are facing some sort of emergency and you need money as soon as possible, and a We Buy Houses company is quoting a much lower amount, but they say they will buy your house immediately, and that will resolve your problem, then of course we understand. You have to do what is best for you. However, the free quote will clearly show your cash will be significantly more with our service. Therefore, if you can wait, we are definitely your better option. And again, for most houses, we will find a cash buyer in less than 30 days. After you've compared and made the decision that you do want all the advantages that come with advertising your home through our marketing service, just let us know. Then we will send you our short and simple marketing agreement. It is very straightforward. Only 2 pages. No legal talk. No small print. You can take your time to review it, ask as many questions as you need. You can even download a blank copy right now. Just go to the service page on our website. Everything is done by e-sign, which means it all can be done on your PC, laptop, tablet, or right from your phone. You simply send the pictures to our email. It is easy to take pics. Smartphones are good enough. Just remember to hold the phone sideways when using it as a camera. We will start advertising your house to investors no later than 1 day after we receive your photos. That's it. That was an overview of our as-is cash marketing service. This website has additional info, including more videos and a frequently asked questions page. Take a moment to review them. Also, at the bottom of every page is a text button. Just click to send us a message. Our office does get busy, but we reply to every message as soon as possible. Thanks again for visiting our website. Bookmark it now. Save to your favorites. Also, any friends, family, or co-workers has a fixer-upper they want to sell. Please let them know everything they will get by advertising their home through hrcash4homes.com. Now, here are just a few fixer-upper homes that have sold over the years. There's way more. This is just to give you an idea of the types of homes we can get cash for. Thanks for watching. Request your free quote now.